Welcome back to the Review Shuffle. Today we're setting up the Pioneer 24-inch Smart XUMO TV. Powering it up now, we'll see the logo. We'll turn this feature off, but you can always enable it in the settings. We'll be setting this up for home use. Next, we'll have to connect the TV to the internet. You can use the TV without Wi-Fi, but you won't have access to streaming services. So I went ahead and entered my Wi-Fi info and is connecting now. We do have an update before getting fully set up. The update took about 10 minutes to download, but that may vary depending on your internet speed. We have our activation code here. You can scan that and set up your XUMO TV account. After the TV synced to my newly created account, the TV restarted and we are now in the XUMO home menu. You can see we have our home screen here, along with all of your streaming options. You also have all of your live programming, your inputs below, and various other free content through XUMO TV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.